You're sitting at your dinner table when the emergency alert system interrupts your favorite show. You have exactly 15 minutes before the shockwave hits. For most, this is the end. But for the elite few who understood the geopolitical red lines, the survival clock has only just begun. Today, we aren't talking about a simple hole in the ground. We are looking at the engineering of a fallout-proof sanctuary. From shielding against gamma radiation to the rule of threes, we're giving you the blueprint to survive a nuclear winter in under 180 seconds. Radiation is your first enemy, specifically gamma rays. To survive, you need mass. The rule of thumb in nuclear engineering is the halving thickness. Every 4 inches of concrete or 6 inches of packed earth reduces radiation by 50. To achieve a protection factor of 1,000, the minimum required for a direct fallout zone, you need at least 3 feet of earth over your head. This isn't just a roof. It's a biological shield between you and a lethal dose of ionizing radiation. You can survive weeks without food, but you won't last 10 minutes if your shelter is sucking in radioactive particulates. This is where most DIY bunkers fail. You need a positive pressure system equipped with an NBC nuclear, biological, chemical filter. The system must be hand-cranked in case of an EMP electromagnetic pulse that fries the grid. By forcing air out through the gaps in your door, you ensure that contaminated air never finds its way in. Why 14 days? Because of the 7-10 rule. For every 7-fold increase in time after a nuclear detonation, the radiation intensity decreases by a factor of 10. After 48 hours, the radiation is 1/100th of its original strength. After 14 days, it's 1/1000th. Your shelter must be a self-contained ecosystem for this window. That means a minimum of 1 gallon of water per person per day and a waste management system that doesn't involve opening a door to the outside world. Building a bunker is a race against a clock you hope never starts. But in a world of rising tensions, the best time to dig was yesterday. The second best time is now. Think you've got what it takes to survive the unthinkable? Let us know your bunker must-haves in the comments. For more tactical survival guides, check out how to become a U.S. Army sniper in 3 minutes. Stay safe and stay prepared.